Okay, so we have finished the brainstorming activity. What is marketing? And now we can see that marketing is literally everywhere. And we make choices when we get up in the morning. We decide what shampoo we're going to use, what we're going to eat for breakfast. On our way to school, we may be listening to advertisements on the radio, commercials. We may be seeing visually signs on the road like billboards. Once we get to school, we do see branding and logos throughout, maybe on someone's backpack, shoe, shirt. Even on computers, we'll see maybe the Mac icon. So marketing is everywhere. We're going to take a look at the foundations and functions of marketing. So let's get started. The very first one is the economic foundations. It's the study of the economy, and much of what you learn in this class will overlap with your econ class. We have the human resource foundations, and with the human resource foundations, we are looking at people. It takes people to buy and sell products, even the distribution of them. So this is the human resource foundation. And we also look at the marketing and business foundation. So this is all of the functions that take place for marketing to happen. Okay, so here are the functions of marketing. There's market planning, and now we're going to go in depth with all of these as we go through the course, but I'm just going to point these out to you. We have market planning. Selling is a function of marketing. Obviously promotion, we're very familiar with that. Pricing, how to establish your price, mark it up or mark it down. Product service planning. Channel management is important. This is the distribution of your products, getting it to the consumer. And MIM stands for Marketing Information Management. So these are the functions that we'll be studying as we proceed through the course. So our marketing program consists of various classes. We have marketing, entrepreneurship, and also retail marketing, which isn't listed on here, but you'll see it in a second. The Hideaway is your retail marketing. This is a program for seniors. In your junior year, you would fill out an application and go through an interview process to become a manager at the Hideaway. In addition to these classes, if you're pursuing business, you would want to take like the business management and technology, the business communications and technology courses. These are known as BAMO. Those are 1 semester each. And then you could even further your program by going through personal finance and even the accounting programs. And then we have DECA. This acronym used to stand for Distributive Education Clubs of America, but now because it's an international program, they just say DECA. And this is a competitive program where you take your knowledge from marketing and you actually compete with other students. So it's an academic club. So there you have it. This is a little bit about what we're going to be learning in this course.